So friends, first of all, download these two files from the link which I have given below, and then unzip this magisk root zip, and there you will find the twrp recovery for magisk. So first of all, flash that twrp recovery on your Honor 8 Pro, which is a prerequisite. Please don't flash the open screen twrp, because it will not work if you want to root with the magisk. So first do that. Now copy these two files. First of all, it is fstab-decrypt.zip, and another which is in unzipped folder magisk root, which is a magisk.zip. Copy these both files in the internal storage of your Honor 8 Pro, and then I will tell you the further process. So guys, I have installed magisk twrp recovery, and now I am going to boot this device in recovery, because there is another zip file which I want to flash, which I just copied on SD card. After flashing that file, the internal storage will be decrypted, and then I will try to make a backup of current situation of my device. Okay, so now it's time to fstab-decrypt.zip. Okay, so it has installed. It has flashed the thing. Okay, now let's see. Now again, let's turn off the power of the device and again turn on, so you can see that decryption has been successful or not. So now the device has been turned off. Now let's again boot it in twrp recovery. You know how to boot it. This time the internal storage has been encrypted, then we are going to make a backup of the current situation on this device. Let's see, it's still showing encrypted, so I don't think so it's just going to make. Let's try. Okay, cannot create permission denied. So guys, the next step is to decrypt this device, is to format the data, means wipe the data off on this device, and then you can get your device as a decrypted. So let's do this. Now it's time to flash magisk.zip, which we have copied in internal or SD card storage. So let's do this. As you can see guys, Magisk has been installed now and your phone has been rooted, so now you can enjoy your phone. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks a lot.